From the rotunda of the Carnivore compound, deep in the heart of Las Vegas, comes one of Wall Street's Hall of Fame traders, Dutch Masters. Today, Dutch is joined by Carnivore's hand-picked customer protege, who went from being a K-9 cop on the streets of East Tennessee to full-time trader and market strategist, and now heads the Carnivore VIP program. The man who has a guy for anything and always has an answer for everything, even if you didn't ask. Please welcome Godfather. VIP program. Man who has a guy for anything and always has an answer for everything. Ask. Please.
What's going on, guys? Hello, everybody. How's it going out there? We got Dutch here. Dutch is getting ready. He just sent out the pre-market, and we're ready to roll.
Good morning, Godfather. How y'all doing? Okay, here's what we got. Can you guys hear me okay? Okay, good. All right, so good morning, everybody. We've got some action already. Can everybody see the screen? You guys okay there? All right, so what we got up here is just a Yahoo screen. It's got all the stocks that we have in the model portfolio right now. And what we're going to be looking for here is we're going to surf this thing for the pre-market change, okay? Want to see what's going on. So as you can see, we got RNA bidding up big. 1880, 19 bucks a share from a close of 15 last night. Voyager up almost 20%. We're at 1053 there. We sold Voyager and RNA in the pre-market. We had some pretty large positions there. Let's see if I can pull those up. So RNA, what do we have there? We had 3,000 shares of RNA. Our cost was $15.20. Had a slight profit there, and so we took that out at a $3 profit this morning in the pre-market. And then the Voyager, we loaded up on Voyager 15,000 shares at $9. And as you can see, it is. We got out, so it's at 1040. And it was up at 11 plus. We sold 1095 this morning. So those two positions are about 95% gone out of the portfolio. So what else is going on in the portfolio right now? What else is going on is we've got CLSK, which is a Bitcoin miner. CLSK in the portfolio. It was our largest position actually, and I think our cost is sitting there somewhere around, let's see, 20 bucks or something like that. CLSK, $20.43. Even with the pop this morning, we're still underwater. It's at 1949, but we're getting a nice pop here this morning. We want to see that continue to go. Bitcoin is trading up this morning, and it looks like we're going to have a nice ride. We have a target of 24.25 on the stock. I'd like to have the thing, get to the 21, 22, maybe even 23 level if we can. If we may have to dump it before that and just take whatever kind of gift we get today from the Bitcoin miners. Obviously, we've got some other stocks, BDTX and Alpine are playing, bidding up a little bit, Santa and Alt. Now, I got two very specific situations we got to talk about real quick. Viking Therapeutics, it's in the portfolio, it's very small, okay? We triggered that stock at 30 bucks. It closed last night at 94.50. They've got a weight loss drug, one of those GLP like Lilly and like Novo Nordisk, NVO. They got a weight loss drug, took the stock to the moon. Last night, they did what a lot of companies do. They actually did an offering to raise capital and bring capital in. I would do the same thing if I were them. I get a stock that goes to the moon. I can go ahead and issue stock, raise capital. But they did the deal at 85 bucks a share. That's almost 10 bucks below the close last night, okay? Usually when that happens, we see the stock open down and actually trade at least down to that 85 level, okay? Now, this one may not because it's got a lot of mojo and it's got a lot of, fans in here. So it may not get down to 85. Our orders for 500 shares at 85 or better, day order only, okay? If we get hit, great. we're playing for what we call a suck up trade, a trade that's going to suck us up to, you know, 10 bucks above, whatever. The other one that priced this morning was Alt, I think ALT, right?
That's right. Yeah.
Okay, so Alt, they priced a deal, smaller deal. Oh, by the way, back on Viking, 7 million shares are being placed on that deal. Don't be confused about the fact that it closes on March 4th. The guys who got that deal are selling the shares right now. If they can get better than 85, they're taking that money and taking that profit. And that's why, of course, the stock. So there's 7 million shares of selling going on, okay? They got to chew through those 7 million shares before the stock stabilizes and rolls back up. So we got about 2.5 million shares on Alt. They were priced. Godfather, what do you see?
This is on Alt or Viking?
On Alt. They priced it where? Let's see. It closed at
Yes.
What?
It closed yesterday at 13.28. It is 13.88 pre-market.
Huh? Was it Alt? No, it wasn't Alt. Who did the deal?
Oh, you talking about Viking? You
No.
about
ARQT did the deal.
Oh, ARQT. That's what we were talking about. Yes.
All right. They closed at 1041. They priced their deal at 950.
That's right.
Isn't it funny that it's trading the pre-market at 950?
948 right now. That's right.
That's right where the deal was priced. Okay. That's another one where, you know, our order is for 5,000 shares at 950 or better. We're going to play the suck up on that one also. Okay.
That was $150 million stock deal that they did, you know?
Yeah, it wasn't a huge deal, but it's a good deal for them. When a company does an offering like this overnight and they price it below the market, if it's a good growth company or it's in a hot sector, that's a trade. If it's a garbage company in a garbage sector that's raising capital and it's not a good growth company, then that's not a good trade. But these two, I think we got some winners here. So those are our two winners early in the morning. I think we've got quite a few stocks looking good for the morning here. Quite a few, okay? Of note, obviously the ETF, IBIT, is going to be hot today. That's the Bitcoin ETF. SOUN, which is an AI stock, is going to be hot.
Earnings are today, I believe, after the bell, right? Yeah,
Probably,
earnings are today. Yeah.
All right. So anyway, there's a long list there. Some of the people who've been in RXRX, some of the people that are in what's there, LXRX also. Those two stocks, those are going to be okay today. It looks like pretty good. On the tech side, Okta, OKTA, and DUOL are looking hot. Of course, Coinbase is looking hot. Tesla looking hot, and VRT looking hot. So, what do you got for me, Godfather? What can
I know a lot of people, Dutch, are going to be wondering about snow. You know, they disappointed. I know it's been one we've traded in and out of. We've made money in it, but down 21% and kind of fallen. When we started our stream, we were at about 19.5, and we're down to 21 right now, pre-market.
Okay, so where did it close and where is it trading?
So okay, yeah. So like I said, right now it's at 21% down. Let me get you the exact number right here. Let's see. Snowflake at 181.34, down $48 from a 230 close.
Yeah, there you go. 230, 181. All right. So this is one of the software beasts out there that we like. Okay. You've got stocks like Now, Monday, Workspace, whatever, WRK.
Workday.
Yeah, Workday. These guys are all like beasts, okay? Software beasts. These are big monster stocks. And so we actually have where is it? I got a list of the beasts right here.
Look at that right there, beasts.
All right, so these are all the beasts, right? So we got pre-market on the beasts. You got Snow trading down 20. You got Octa trading up 23. So these are your pieces that are going to rock right down here. AMRC, Cyber, Crowd, Now, NVIDIA, TTD. All right. For a suck-up trade, probably not a bad thing to do. I might put it in, if I had to put an order in on snow, I'd probably put it in around like 176 just to be a greedy bastard, right? You know? And
Do you think he's got a little bit more room to go down?
I think when the market opens, you're going to have some people throwing up on this thing, okay? And they're going to just throw the baby out with the bathwater. I can't be sure, might be wrong, but you know, you want to get some good pricing on something that's going on like this today.
Right. One of the other things that we were talking about is the PCE. The data came out. Jobless claims was a little higher. We were trading negative about 125. Then the jobless claims came out, and we've gone positive now. The market loved it. Good, bad news is good news still. What do you think?
Well, yeah, basically prices rose kind of in line with economists' expectations. It wasn't that bad. So the futures did turn around and spin for us. This is going to give us a great trading platform for today on the long side, okay? You know, we hadn't been short anything but a couple of stocks in the last several months. We made money on both of them, but they were in sectors that were really crappy. And, you know, solar for one, and which looks like it may have bottomed out here for the time being. And the other one was the gyms, okay? One of the things that's interesting when we talk about Viking and the weight loss drugs and Lilly and all that, for the first time in history, gymnasiums in January usually see a whole bunch of people doing New Year's resolutions and coming and signing up. For the first time in history, they actually saw more people quit in January than sign up. And this is because, and they're blaming the weight loss drugs, because why go to the gym and schlep around for 3 hours every day to work out and sweat and have to hang out with a bunch of knuckleheads when you can take a pill or a shot once a week and lose 100 pounds, then join the gym and get your muscles firmed up. So anyway, everybody from the guys who make, you know, junk food and potato chips to the gymnasiums are being affected by what we have identified a year ago as probably one of the most incredible things that's come along in a long time. This is a real situation, these GLP weight loss drugs. So Viking's taking advantage of it.
Yep. Well, speaking of that, what do you think? I know several people that are with us in Novavax. I know it's not a weight limit, but it is in the pharmaceutical sector. Kind of got whacked a little bit. They're trading back down at 439. I know we were over $6 on the 27th. I know a lot of our subscribers still are playing with it. What are your thoughts on that?
So are you talking about NVO?
Yes, sir. NVO. Oh, yeah. No, I'm talking about Novavax, NVAX.
Oh, NVAX was
That's right.
NVAX. We're just stuck in the stock. Okay, we're trying to get out of the thing at the best price we can. How do I get rid of this screen sharing so people can see my video, my face? Hold on a second.
All right. So, he's doing that. We had a couple of big earnings, and there's a couple more today as well. So, big day for data. There's some Fed speakers coming on later today, in case y'all are bored. There's definitely some voting member talks today. For those of you that subscribe to Market Smith, that is where a great place for you to get a lot of this information from on who's talking. They can move markets. It does happen. So we give that information out to our subscribers as well.
I can't find the damn thing on my computer.
Yeah. And Zerby can just make our side go large. You can just make the screen go large on your side. Yeah, Dutchie. Yeah, he's
there. Thank you.
Boom.
Good Lord.
Thank you, Zerby, for helping us with our first stream. Connor, guys have been really, thank you guys, everything that y'all.
What do we got going here? We're going to be open in like less than a minute, right?
Yes, sir.
All
What
right,
are we
good luck,
doing?
traders. I hope we gave you something to think about today. Godfather, Blake, love you guys. Love the carnivores. Go to carnivoretrading.com if you're not already a carnivore and get into the flow of the best Hall of Fame traders you'll ever find. Come on. Come on in. 2-week free trial. There's no obligation. What are we talking about here? Come on.
Y'all like the video for us. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks, Dutch. Let's go make some money today.
All right. Good luck.